I want to talk about you today, and the thing that we're very clear about is we want to have a much greater, I guess, interaction with students, conversation with students, rather than you students, we teachers. No, we're partners in learning. And let me ask you a few questions. How many of you love auditing? Now be honest here. I know you want to put your hand up, it might be embarrassing, but put your hand up if you love auditing. Okay, no one. All right. Okay, we're going to get a baseline right. I want to know where you are, okay? This is very important here. All right, so you don't love auditing, so how are you going to get past, there's an exam, right? We're talking about 10 weeks, 70 days. 70 days, there's an exam. How many of you love exams? Okay, all right, so don't love auditing, don't love exams. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Like, you're going out to get a job, we're going to talk about some tactics, but I want to talk about some strategies too. You know the difference between strategies and tactics. Strategies is more about getting your mind and getting your body into shape. Okay, your mindset. Okay, so let's just start a few things here. We're going to talk about strategy, then we're going to talk about tactics. Tactics is, okay, what are you going to do to get past this exam? It's not going to get the exams. Can we sort of delay the exam until they start to love auditing? No, we cannot do that. All right, so the exam's not going to go away. All right, so you need to have some tactics. Am I right? Between now and the exam, you need some tactics. So we're going to talk about tactics too. Okay? So I think the biggest mindset you want to think about or get real with is to every day you've got to start chipping away. Keep asking yourself, who are you? Because every one of you are different. Sometimes our university, we treat you the same. You know, you're student number one, you're student number two. No, you're all different. You all learn differently. You all have different passions. Am I right? Okay, so I want you to find out, this is a strategy. You're on the strategies here. And the strategies are critical beyond this course, especially when you go into the job market. You need to know who you are. The job interview, how many of you will go in job interviews in the next 12 months? Are you graduating at the end of this month? At the end of this semester? Or this year? Hands up for end of this year. And then you'll go have job interviews this year, am I right? With the big four? Yeah. Yeah, so the one person's going for the big four. That's good, I like that. Okay, so the job interview is all about who are you? Your CV is going to look the same as everyone else's CV. If your CV and your transcript was just enough to get a job, then we don't need to interview you. But why do they interview you? Because they want to know, who are you? What is your personality? And how self-aware are you? Self-aware is that every day you need to chip away. When you wake up every day, you ask yourself, who am I in terms of where I want to go in my career? Now, put your hand up if you have an answer to that now. Put your hand up if you're clear on that. And I don't expect any of you would be. This takes time. You may have to ask yourself this. You have to ask yourself this every day. Because what's going to happen in a job interview is someone